So what I also want to understand is the economic aspect of the industry. Like, what is the business model like of the erotic industry in India? I want to understand what is the budget in which a film or a show is made, and what is the kind of profits that get generated out of it.
When I did a South Indian Malayali adult film, it has got, we shot for 2 days. I was the highest paid at that time, and they spent 6 lakhs on making of that project.
The entire project.
Entire
Okay.
project. Short film. Short film has in 3 episodes, shot in 2 days. Um, Imagine how much money they made per episode. Take a
6
guess.
lakhs were made in the first episode only.
Take a guess.
Lakhs or crores?
अभी मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. 60 lakhs.
10 times more.
Yeah. Only because I was there. That's what she told me, because they had made a lot of films. They put my poster. They made 60 lakhs per episode.
Okay.
So that is roughly, I'm giving you an idea. My producers, they cast me in their adult film. They bought a BMW. So they make a lot of money.
I also know a story wherein I to do erotica, but there is a friend of mine, and she was a part of a OTT which used to do proper porn, and she told me that they had invested some 23 lakhs in a couple of they had made like some 8 to 10 porn CDs, and she told me that in the span of 6 months, I don't know whether I should be saying this or not, but they made around 4 crore rupees.
Oh my
Wow.
4
god.
crore. I was surprised. I said, are you kidding me, or are you just blabbering, or have you heard this? She said, I saw it. I saw the Excel myself. 4 crores.
उतारने के बाद tell me who.
I will tell you, definitely.
And who's making all, like, who पैसा किसकी जेब में जाता है basically?
Obviously,
owner.
the owner of the app.
The owner of the
And
app.
the owners are also the directors.
Okay.
Some of them. Once
They are also the producers?
They are the producers, they are the
Producers,
directors, they are the writers.
directors,
They contact you on social media. They are the whole and soul thing.
They may not be the writer most of the times, but yes, they are
No.
the people who invest the money.
The one who bought the BMW,
Yeah, she was, yes,
yeah,
she
the
was,
writer,
but not
director,
everyone is.
costume
yeah.
designer, makeup artist,
Yeah.
everything. One man show.
Yeah.
Yeah, husband wife.
Because the guy I'm talking about, the 4 crore thing, he just made the app and gave them to handle. My friend was only handling it, and he gave it to them to handle it, and that's how she knew that how much money he's making out of that.
That was in
She just got
months.
peanuts, and when she showed that's the time when he gave her some extra money also, that boss, you've made money, so why are you not giving us?
Yeah, exactly. And as
Yeah.
artists, do you all sometimes feel that, yeah, like the film is making so much, the industry is making so much, why are we then just
Always.
This happens because see,
Always
we
with
are
me.
from the creative field.
Right.
We are not the business minded ones. That's what I'm saying. The guy who made my app, Jaipur wala person, he has made an office worth 5 crore or something, 5 crore, 6
What?
crore. Yes, yes.
Office?
Told me that, ma'am, only from your app, he was not the owner, he was the owner's खास
Assistant.
असिस्टेंट जो
Okay.
उनके पूरे फाइनेंसेस
Coordinator
करता था.
types.
उसने मुझे बताया कि मैम आप तो मतलब उल्लू ही बने हो, आपने इतना कमाया नहीं है, बट आपसे कहीं ज्यादा वो बंदा कमा
We
के
get
निकल
much
गया.
because I was not paid 6 lakhs, but the whole
He
shoot was 6 lakhs.
eating money because he knew the app business ना, तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो था वो छुपा देता था, जो इनकम आती थी मेरी ऐप से या मेरे नाम से, वो छुपा देता था. मेरा कंटेंट बिकता था लाखों लाखों में. मेरा एक एक दिन का मेरा, मुझे याद है एक दिन तो मैंने उसको पकड़ भी लिया. मेरे अकाउंट में सीधा 1.5 लाख रुपए बढ़ा, बिकॉज ऐप पे मुझे दिखता था कि कितनी अर्निंग हो रही है रोज़ की.
Right.
तो मैंने देखा है वो शूटिंग फॉर कुकू ऐप दैट टाइम, और मैं बीच बीच में अपना ऐप चेक करती रहती थी. तो मैं देखा कि अरे 1.5 लाख बढ़ गया, और उसी दिन मेरा कंटेंट अपलोड हुआ था उस ऐप पर, और मैं 2 घंटे के बाद देख रही हूँ तो वो 1.5 लाख गायब. सो फिर मैंने क्वेश्चन किया, आई आस्क्ड हिम, ही सेइंग अरे वो मैम क्या हुआ ना, एक वो कुछ ग्लिच हो गया था ऐप में, तो उसकी वजह से लोगों का डबल पैसा आ गया, तो हमको सबको पैसा रिफंड करना पड़ा.
okay?
And that time I bought that explanation, but जब मुझे later on when I had a fight with him and we part our ways, that time that guy who was a good person, he told me, ma'am, that he has cheated you a lot. आपको, you should have left him long back, because this guy has been cheating you and
You know, I was going to come to this,
Yeah.
that what is the kind of corruption, the fraud, the scams
Oh.
also that happen when it
There
comes
are
to
a
paying.
lot
See, they make a lot of money and they sell our pictures on the poster. They use my name, Shakespeare Tripathi, in this film. Shakespeare Tripathi is this, that. Or
people have made more money than what we have made.
We have
Trust
made.
me on our names.
I get
There
only
are channels
artist
on Telegram.
fees. Yeah, artist fees I get. But the amount of money the makers have made, oh, it's unbelievable.
tremendous.
But आप लोग कभी royalties नहीं मांगते? Like, don't
नहीं,
you all
कुछ
ask for
royalty
royalties?
कुछ नहीं, क्या मांगेंगे? वो तो सीधा डिनाई कर देते हैं, नहीं ये तो हमारी कमाई, हमारी मेहनत की कमाई है, हमारा है, ये
But
जो
is
है
there no
वो हमारा है।
redressal system or something like that in
Nothing.
place?
It's your call.
Like an association or
No,
something?
no,
We don't,
associates illegal.
हमारे कौन, like that's what I'm saying.
Government ने बंद कर
इरोटिका
दिया।
के लिए कौन एसोसिएशन बनाएगा, कौन स्टैंड लेगा इरोटिका के लिए? इरोटिका को जब पूरी कंट्री ही खराब समझ रही है, तो स्टैंड कौन लेगा इरोटिका के लिए?
So there is a
कौन
lot
बैकअप
of-
देगा? बट होना चाहिए.
And
at least
also what
we
happens
should have a
is,
union.
so
Yeah.
past 2 years जब मैंने कम बैक किया, मैंने बहुत कम काम किया, उसमें मुझे इतनी कामयाबी मिली क्योंकि मैं जो बजट मांगता हूँ, जो लोग देते हैं, मैं काम करता हूँ. बट हमारे थ्रू जो लोगों ने कमाया है, मतलब सोचते ही बहुत बुरा लगता है. और and the biggest reason is
Tremendous amount of
competition.
money, tremendous
So
amount.
we can't fight back because I don't fight. I do fight back, but a lot of guys are doing it for much lesser than what I charge, 1/4 of what I charge. They are ready to do it just for fame or per conveyance और खाना दे दो खुश. तो अगर ऐसे लड़के कर लेंगे फिर पैसे कोई देगा नहीं ना, जो बेचारा ask for a lot of amount. बोलेंगे वो तो कर रहा है. So that's also a thing. So there is no redressal. There is no. It's your choice. It's like we are going to pay this much. If you want
Yeah.
to do it, do it. Otherwise.